welcome back to the channel. Today we have a quick 10-minute stress relieving dance cardio. We're gonna get started warming up those bodies and just connecting with our breath. Bring your feet wide, start to roll the shoulders up and back, up and back. Connecting with our bodies. Now full circle through the arms, big reach, big reach. You got it, 2 more. Good, now you're gonna take a big exhale in, exhale in. Stay here, just 4, just 3. You've got 2. Back to the shoulder rolls, right here, take it back. Stay here for 4, 3, slow it down, circle those arms for 4. For 3, I'm gonna take you into some movement here. We're gonna take a little roll, up and up, then circle for 2. Roll it, circle. We're gonna just string some movements together, using repetition to keep our mind nice and clear. Get those endorphins flowing. Give me 2 more. Whew, those arms are warm. Last time. Little travel to the right. Go pull for 2. Pull for 2. Using that elbow, travel side to side. You got 4. You got 3. We're gonna go back to that little roll. Right here. Take it up to the right. Up, up. Circle. 4 of these. Woo. Up, up. Last time. Get ready, that travel, step to the right, we pull, right, and switch. Stay with me for 4, 3, you got it, 2, new set of moves, big slide, right, then left, and we're gonna scoop it low, 4, 3, 2, back to the side, push, push, we scoop, 4, that's it. 2 more sets. Push, push. Good, scoop it low. Last time, push, push, scoop it low. From the top we go up. Circle it. Again, up, up. Whew. Last 2, like this. Last one, we take our little travel with the elbow. Pull, switch, pull. Yes. Keep breathing. Feel your energy. Last set. We go into that slide. Take it to the right, go slide. Switch, slide. Scoop it low. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slide, right. Slide left. Scoop it low, 4, 3, 2, again, we push, right? Like you're swimming, opening up that chest. Find those levels. Last time, let's go, push. You got it, 4, 3, 2, back to the roll, right here. Circle. Last time with these movements. Let's go, up and roll. Yes, upper body nice and warm. Travel right, pull right, pull left, pull, and pull. Yes, you're here for 4, for 3. Good, you got 2. Last one, slide to the right, push, right, rock, left. Scoop it low, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push it right, push it left. Drop it low. So strong. 2 more times. Push and push. Get low, scoop. You got 1 more. Make it your best. Push, push, and drop for 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Take it out. Exhale. Breathe. Last 2. And 1. Whew. Good, y'all. All right. We're gonna keep moving. New set of movements for this song. So make it feel a little different. We're at that halfway point already, so don't give up now. Here's your first movement. You're gonna go lift, sit, shake it. Shake it. Sitting into that hip, and then knocking it up. Lift, and lift. You got it. New move, step touch. We reach right, left, then grapevine. We go reach, reach, and grapevine. Do it again. Right arm, grapevine. Last time. We're gonna go back from the top, lift and sit. Let's go. Lift, sit, shake it. Good. Find those levels, big reach. 4, 3. Good, we have 2. Step touch with our grapevine. It's reach, reach, grapevine. Take it up, reach, reach, grapevine. Again, it's up. Good, one more time. New move, we slide to our right, go slide. Then we clap it 4 times. 4, 3, back to the slide. Pull, and pull. Clap it up for 4. Kicking that booty. Again, 2 more times. Pull, rock, pull, rock. Clap it. Oh, yes, now slide, pull. Clap it up, last time. Back to the lift and sit from the top. Here we go. Little booty, knock, booty, knock. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2. Step, touch, grapevine. Here we go. Reach, reach, grapevine. Really travel and take up as much space as you're able to. Keep going. Last time. Get ready. We go into that slide. Take it to the right. Go pull, rock, pull, clap it up. 4, 3. Adding that little hop if it feels good. Slide, slide. Clap it up. You get 2 more. Stay with me. Pull, pull. Clap it up. Good. One more time. Pull. I'm with you. You got 1 more move. Here's 4, 3. You're gonna take 2 booty rolls. We go. Roll it for 2. Squat and lift. Roll it for 2. Squat, lift. Option to add some arms. 1 more time. Booty. Lift and sit. Let's go from the top. Yes. Lift. Shake it. Reach. Hip. Reach. Hip. We're here for 4. Last 2. We step touch. Grapevine. Let's go. Step touch. Grapevine. Again. Big reach. Grapevine. Come on. 1 more time. Each way. Last time. Hook. Now we slide to the right. Go pull, rock, pull, clap it up. 4, 3, 2, slide it out. Pull, pull. You got it. 4, 3, 2 more times. Come on. Pull, pull, clap it up. 4, 3, 2. Last time. 4, 3, booty roll. Here we go. Take it low. Yes. Booty, booty, drop, lift. Booty, booty. Yes. You got this. From the top, last time. Woo! Yes, you guys, we're gonna finish it right here, right now. We've got 4, 3. Let's go for 2. 1 step touch, grapevine, it's right, left, left side. Good, reach. Last time. Let's slide to the right, come on. Pull, and pull. Clap it up, 4. You guys are right there. Pull, pull. Clap it up, 4, 3, 2, let's go, let's go. Puff it up. Last time. You made it. Clap for 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe, y'all. I'm gonna take you just through a little bit of breath work. Shoulder right. Go right, left, right, and left. Just slowing down your movement a little bit. Connect with the breath and swing right, left. Shifting your weight side to side. Let those arms just flow as high as they want to go. 4, maybe reaching a little higher for 2, and 1. Shoulders go back, back. Calming our body. Full circle through the arms. 4, for 3. Let's go for 2, and 1. Bring the arms out wide. Exhale. 4 more, let's go. 4. Last 2. On 1, hold out wide. Take a big stretch up and over to the right side of your space. Open your heart to the sky. Lift your body up. Other way, big stretch. And lift all the way back up. Take your toes and turn them out. Drop your chest forward, releasing any tension in those hips. Just sway side to side. Dip your right shoulder forward and hold. Inhale, lift your chest, switch sides. Nice work. Inhale, and come back to the center. Heel toe those feet back together until they come underneath your feet. Let's take a big restorative inhale all together. Inhale up. Exhale, release. One more time. Inhale up. And then press your palms together. Exhale as you lower them down by your heart. And just take a moment in the stillness right here. Feeling your body a little more relaxed. And when you're ready, you can give yourself a round of applause. You guys, I hope you enjoyed today's workout. If you did, let me know in the comments below. I love to hear from you. And we will see you back on the dance floor soon.